Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp QR code and WhatsApp link so that people can message you instantly without saving your WhatsApp number. So to get started, go to the Sandesh AI website, which is sandeshai.com. I'll share the link in the description. Go all the way down in the footer section. Click on this free WhatsApp QR code generator. Type your WhatsApp number here with the country code. If you want to include a welcome message, you can put this, but this is completely optional. And click on this generate WhatsApp QR code button. So our WhatsApp QR code has been generated successfully. You can download this QR by clicking on this download QR code button. And here is the WhatsApp link for that particular WhatsApp number. Now you can use this QR code wherever you want. After scanning it, people will land directly on the WhatsApp chat without saving your number. If you also want to automate your WhatsApp chats and reply instantly 24 into 7, you can build a complete WhatsApp chatbot with the Sandesh AI. You can contact the Sandesh AI team using this WhatsApp chat button and the number shown on the screen. Thanks for watching.